This is like a gift guide, had a baby with Oprah's favorite things, except I'm not Oprah. And if you reach under your chair, you're not going to find the keys to a new car. You might find some old goldfish though. Okay, let's get into it. 17 of my favorite things, because I quit doing favorites videos and I miss doing them, and so we're gonna do them like this, but we're gonna do it a little more rapid fire because I can talk a lot. Let's go, you get it. Number 1 is this wintry white candle. This candle smells amazing. I don't like the sickeningly sweet candles. This one is just right. It is a plant-based candle, and it comes in this little tin that you kind of twist off the top. Then you still have something pretty underneath. You know, sometimes tree candles legit just smell like a tree and it's a little much, or they're so sweet that it makes you feel a little nauseous. This is not that. This is the perfect blend of the two. Wintry white candle, amazing, would be great for your house, or would also make a great gift. We're rapid firing these because I do tend to talk a lot and we got a lot to get through. Number 2 is this Sherpa crossbody bag. I love a good crossbody, whether it's a fanny pack that you kind of wear across the front or just a nice little small camera bag style crossbody. And I do love a little bit of furriness for the winter. It's just fun. This one is from Aerie, and it also has kind of the wide seatbelt style strap that just says something offline. It's a perfect little camera style crossbody bag. It does have a little outside pocket here, though depending on the size of your phone, I don't know that you'd be able to easily get it in and out of there, but you could definitely put a car key, chapstick, something like that. And then it's just got the big center compartment. So it's a great bag, crossbody. Again, would make a lovely gift for someone in your life. Did I mention that these are in no particular order? They're in no particular order. I will list them all down below by number. I'm just not organized enough today to do this by section, okay? So you're gonna have to bear with me. Next up, we have the laundry sheets. I have been wanting to share these with you guys for a few months now, but I haven't been doing favorites videos. There's many reasons that I recommend them, but if you are tight on space, don't have a lot of space to store stuff, or just want something really, really simple, they basically look like a dryer sheet, but it's laundry detergent. I was very skeptical. That's partially why I withheld sharing about them for a while, because I really wanted to use them and make sure that I like them. Now, I will use 2 sheets per load, especially if it's kids' clothes that are grimy or something like that. We do live on a farm. I was very pleasantly surprised by how well these work. I'm actually going to start putting some of these into our emergency or just into our stock up supply because they don't take up a bunch of space. You should definitely try those if you have not already. Next, we have a mascara comb. If you saw my vintage beauty tips video that I did a few months ago, you saw that Audrey Hepburn was famous for using a needle to separate her eyelashes. This was just something she was very known to do. I have no interest in putting an actual needle that close to my eye. I'm just too clumsy for that. But I did find this really awesome eyelash separator. It's under $5 and it's perfect for, it's shaped, kind of has that curved, not really half moon, but just a curved shape to it. So it is perfect once you put your mascara on and you just want to remove any little clumpy clumps without having to grab your eyelashes and smash them back together. There's a fine line. The mascara can work really well and make your eyelashes look great, and then all of a sudden, bam, spidery. So this is awesome, under $5. Would also make a great stocking stuffer for a friend, a family member, somebody who wears makeup and enjoys it. I don't know. Hopefully they wouldn't be offended by that, but I wouldn't. Next up for my favorites and recommendations is a game. And I know, listen, you guys know that I'm not a big game player on my phone. In fact, this is the only game I play on my phone, and that is June's Journey. Today's video is sponsored by June's Journey. I love this game. It is so fun. If you like the vintage feel, the vintage vibes, if you like home decor, if you like hidden object games, if you just need some way to decompress, if you just need to shut all that off and have a little bit of time to just zen out, I can't really do that with TV shows and stuff. So this game has been so fun for me, and my mom has even started playing this game and really loving it too. So it's totally free to download the game. I'll have a link down below in the description box, as well as a QR code here on screen. If you have not played June's Journey before, it's a mobile game, and basically you have to find hidden objects. The graphics on this game are so stunning. The colors, the whole feel of it, it definitely has that kind of vintage, nostalgic feel, which I love. So you're finding hidden objects, but you also get to customize, remodel, and fix up your mansion and garden island. It's just a very relaxing game for me personally. That's the kind of game I want when I'm gonna zone out and play a game for a little bit. I just want it to be relaxing and enjoyable. So if you would like to try June's Journey, check it out down below in the description box. Like I said, it's totally free to download, or you can use the QR code here on screen. I think you will like it as much as I do. I'm not a mobile game person, so when I recommend this, I come to you very humbly and honestly that like this is the only mobile game that I play. Let's talk about your bootay and a good pair of jeans. As we age, sometimes our booties like to slide down the back of our thighs, all right? And well, not everybody's, but some of us. I really like a good pair of denim. The fit of jeans matters a lot. It can make such a difference in just how overall, the proportions and body shape and everything. It's just a really nice pair of jeans that fit really well. These particular pair of Levi's also happens to have a little bit of stretch. A lot of my favorite denim is unforgiving in that it has absolutely no stretch to it. A lot of times the more rigid denim can be more flattering. So when I find a pair of denim that I think is flattering but also has some stretch to it, I'm Johnny on the spot, all right? It's also far more budget friendly than some of the other denim that I happen to really like. They do have a number of washes, okay? So depending on, I'm going to link you directly to the pair that I have. If you select from the other washes, I cannot guarantee that it's going to fit the same way that I'm talking about, right? Because that's just the way that Levi's are. If you change the wash, it changes the fit a little bit. So I'm going to link directly to the pair that I have. They're very comfortable. Now, I did size up one size in these. Everything from the pocket placement to the seam placement on the back is all kind of done to lift your booty up from the floor, to pick it up off the back of your thighs. They're just much loved for me. And when I find a pair of jeans that I love this much, that also are affordable in the world of jeans, I'm definitely going to share those. While we're talking about tight-fitting things, let's discuss for a moment these bodysuits that I picked up from Walmart. These are from the Sofia Vergara line. I'm not a big bodysuit wearer. Okay, I tried one from Target that did not fit well. I have a long torso, so it tends to go camel toe real fast. And they're just not very comfortable. But this quality of these bodysuits is kind of amazing. And I did purchase 3 of them. I got the cream and the nude color bodysuit, and then I also got the cream one that's off the shoulder to wear with some skirts and stuff for like dressing up. To me, these are great for layering under your sweaters and stuff during the season. If you'll be too warm, I do winter in the South, okay? If you sometimes will be too warm to actually put like a full shirt under a sweater. I'm blasting my air conditioning right now, okay? And some things just don't quite look right with like a ribbed shirt or something else under it. So that's why I really like these bodysuits, because the material is super soft. They're a perfect layering piece, and the fit of them is excellent. I actually got a small and a medium, and both fit me, so the sizing is pretty forgiving. Speaking of, I guess we'll just keep going down a layer. We've done pants, the bodysuits. Now let's talk about bras. I don't love talking about undergarments on the internet, but you are my friend, and therefore I must share with you. These are underwire-free, but they still keep the tatas up where they belong. But they are a very like soft fabric, no underwire, nothing to be uncomfortable. But the best part is that they have this extra little piece that kind of goes to get rid of the armpit. You know, the spillage that comes out of your armpits, like your bra's here, your arm is here, and then you've just got this like donut that hangs out right here, which whatever, if it doesn't bother you, it doesn't bother you. But for me, I think it's just a cleaner look under tops and things when that's not popping out, and this bra helps to prevent that. I really like it because it's just comfortable. I can sleep in it. I forget I even have it on. We'll just stay on clothes for a minute, okay? I have a couple of sweaters to share with you because they are awesome and they sell out super fast and they are pretty budget friendly. This sweater actually is from Amazon, and I really like this, which is odd. This is not normally my type of sweater, but I really like it. I'm just feeling the kind of light wintry white vibes, like the creams, the whites and stuff for wintry clothes. I really am liking that right now. Also though, Amazon has these really beautiful like Fair Isle type sweaters. These type of sweaters will normally cost, $100, $125 at certain retailers, but I found these on Amazon. I got the brown one last year. It's just a lovely sweater. It has a great quality, a good thickness to it. It doesn't, to me anyways, it doesn't feel super cheap or chintzy. I like things to be substantial, not feel like they're like gonna fall apart any minute, but I also don't like things that are like overly thick and heavy, right? Like I said, I do live in the South. Winter is not that intense here typically. Can totally be worn just casually every day. You could also dress it up a little bit for the holidays or for family pictures or whatever. It just has that holiday feel to it. So those two are from Amazon. From Walmart, I purchased I call it like a Christmas plaid. I'm sure there's a name for it. I don't know if it's actually technically like a tartan plaid, but I call it like a Christmas plaid button-up shirt. It's under $15, super comfortable. I got it in a small so that I could wear it a little more. Normally I would get something like that in 2 or 3 sizes bigger so I could wear it with like leggings and stuff. You could totally do that. But I wanted to wear this one under some of my sweaters, dress it up a little bit and layer some. This green sweater that I got from Walmart, again, under $15, is perfect because it's lightweight. So it's great for layering. It doesn't feel like a ton of extra bulk and thickness. It looks great layered with the plaid. I could tuck it in, put a belt on, dress it up. I do have some Instagram reels, and then of course all of this stuff and more is over on my LTK shop. My LTK shop is actually like its own like little social media thing. I post stuff there that I don't post anywhere else. There's videos and outfit ideas and all kinds of stuff that doesn't really fit into other places that I share online. So if you like those kind of recommendations, if you like favorites videos and things like that, then you should definitely go follow me on LTK because there's a lot more of that over there. That's what I showed over there, was like styling it, right? So it's like you just put a sweater on with jeans. Okay, that's fine, right? But if you feel like, oh, why do other people look cute in this and I just feel kind of, it's usually because we're just wearing something and not styling it. So that's kind of what I showed over there, was like how it looks when I would just wear it versus how it looks when I style it a little bit. It makes a big difference without a ton more effort, right? And the other piece of clothing that I wanted to mention from Walmart really quick is this dress that I picked up. And again, I styled it a couple of different ways because it was just giving me very like Beth Dutton vibes, So tossing on like some cowboy boots, I added a belt to it. So styling this up was like, to me, a great Thanksgiving outfit. Again, just very easy on the budget. If you are in need of something to wear, an outfit for family pictures, an outfit for Thanksgiving. And then the last thing I wanted to share with you from Walmart, this bag is a very good dupe for or inspired by, because apparently I don't know what we're allowed to say. It's a designer inspired looking bag. It has the exact shape, buckle, handle, all of that as the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis bag that is very, very expensive. And this bag has that same like look and feel, shape, everything. It's got, again, that like seatbelt material handle, which makes it like a little less formal. You could totally dress it down, but you can take the strap off. It buckles on right here. You could take the strap off and put like a gold chain handle or something on it that made it a little dressier if you wanted to dress it up. But it is, it's got the cute little buckle that you pull down and then open. It's got all the space inside. Altoids, got my Altoids in there. It's very like soft and pliable. It doesn't feel like super cheap or anything like that. I just thought that this was just standalone, even if you don't give a rip about, Louis Vuitton or whatever, just standalone. It's a great bag. And if you like some of those designer looking bags but don't want to pay the price for them, this to me is a great dupish inspired by looking bag from Walmart. My foot's asleep. Why did I choose to sit like that? I feel like George Costanza from Seinfeld. We're almost done. Yay! 2 more things. All right, next up is a Floral Real Touch garland. All right, I ordered some of this from the Floral website before I realized that they were on Amazon. That's okay. They have garland, wreaths, all of it. It is, when I say it's Real Touch, I thought that what I bought, like when I opened it, I was like, oh no, is this real? not because I don't love real garland or wreaths, but because I thought it would die before the holidays came, because I ordered it back in September. And I was like, oh no, it's gonna die before the holidays. It's not real. It just looks and feels that real. I don't consider myself to be a supremely stupid person. I have my moments, like we all do, brain farts, if you will. But in that moment, I felt a little stupid because I was just very much convinced that this was real when it is in fact not. It's a pretty good real touch garland wreath. So I will link a few of my favorites if you're interested, because, well, it will definitely give you that natural vibes to your holidays if that's what you're going for. Also, it definitely has a higher end look and feel to it than other garland, okay? And I'm not a garland snob. I like it all. This stuff is chef's kiss. And last but certainly not least is my new holiday merch. If you have not had a chance to visit my new shop, I will put a link to it down below, TGN the shop. I have always had a number of digital products available on my website, but now I have kind of redone everything. I've added a bunch of new things, given everything a makeover. So all of that is now moved to my own shop. And this year I've done something I've wanted to do for a really long time, which is create some holiday merch. I love the holidays, and I have a very specific kind of taste about holiday things, holiday sweaters and sweatshirts and stuff. I like quirky things. I like a bit of like nostalgia in them, and I like things that are a little cheeky. And then also, I always feel like there's a lack of Jesus in Christmas and a lot of merch. So there's a lot of Santa stuff and, reindeer and all of that, which is fun. I love a good, give me a good cowboy Santa any day of the week. I've seen that. But I also feel like a lot of the messages of Christmas that really are truly the reason for the season and that resonate with me get lost in the hullabaloo and chaos. So I really wanted to offer a couple of pieces in the holiday collection this year that I spoke to that part of Christmas that is ultimately the reason for the season. Definitely check that out. I will put a link down below in the description box if you would like to check out the holiday collection this year. I hope that you are having an excellent kickoff to your holiday season. If you would like to try June's Journey, check it out down below in the description box. Like I said, it's totally free to download, or you can use the QR code here on screen. I'm excited. I have a lot of fun content planned over the next couple of months. And to be honest with you, even better content planned for January. All right. I'm already super excited about what we're doing around here in January. And I think you're going to be too. Why am I telling you that now? I don't know, because I felt like it. My foot's asleep, so the blood is getting cut off. So I feel like circulation's being cut off or something, but that's enough for me. I'm just gonna go. This is getting awkward now.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling, it's the most